Hello, grade 8. This is a discourse on demonstrating an Indian tala pattern. We all know that uh, the tala pattern is not just about gestures, but also about spoken syllables. And the spoken syllables are known as sol. Now, sol have different types of syllables, but each syllable is always equivalent to just one beat. But you have to make sure na magkakasya yung syllable na yon sa isang beat lang. For one syllable, one sol, you call it ta. For two, you call it taka. For three, takita. Four, takadimi. Five, takatakita. You make sure you copy it later. For six, takatakadimi. For seven, takita takadimi. For eight, takadimi takajonu. For nine, takadimi takatakita. And for 10, takatakita takitakitakatom. Now, tala is the cycle of beats that organizes the music in time. It is very similar to time signature. So there are different number of tala beats or patterns, no? But one of the most common is the adi tala. The adi tala is an 8-beat cycle. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is the 8-beat cycle. So it always finishes at 8 and then it makes a loop. That's aditala. Okay. Now, to be able to perform the aditala, we have to use hand gestures. And hand gestures are called angas. One of the hand gesture, the angas, is the anudrutam, which is a single hand clap. If you see the symbol X, it means you have to do this, the single hand clap. Anudrutam. The drutam, which has a symbol of a zero, has a single hand clap followed by wave. Clap, wave. Clap, wave. The third one is the lagu. The lagu is corresponding to the number of beats, which depends on the ensign. The ensign are being performed by use of finger tappings. So has a symbol of a letter I, and then the N changes according to number. For example, if the N is number 4, then it should be 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. It does not have to make sounds. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yan. Okay. This is an example of an 8-beat tala pattern or the Adi tala. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 wave, 1 wave. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 wave, 1 wave. One more time. Together. Clap. 2, 3, 4. Clap. Wave. Clap. Again. Clap. 2, 3, 4. Clap. Wave. Clap. Wave. Let's have an exercise using the Aditala. You're going to chant the different sols to your that you can see to your left. Let's try it with ta. Okay. Here we go. Ta, 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 ta. Again. Ta, 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 ta. Let's do this with taka. Ready? Here we go. Taka, 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 taka. This time, the three-syllable sol, which is takita. Ready? Takita, 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 takita. Takita, 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 takita. And then the last one, takadimi. Ready? Here we go. Takadimi, 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 takadimi. Again. Takadimi, 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 takadimi. Of course, the sols can be interchanged. No? Pwedeng mag-iba-iba to depende sa gumagawa ng pattern. That is why I am going to challenge you for your task that you're going to perform next week to perform this certain tala pattern. We're going to use the Adu tala, but the sols will be assigned per symbol. For example, for the first symbol, you'll have to recite the sol takadimi. For the second symbol, you have to recite takatakadimi. And then for the last symbol, takita. I will demonstrate it so that you'll have a basis for you to review the pattern. Takadimi, 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 takatakadimi, takatakadimi, takita, takita. Again, takadimi, 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 takatakadimi, takatakadimi, takita, takita. I hope you'll be able to practice this, and I'm expecting that all of you will be able to perform it next meeting. Please tune in to your Google Classroom for further activities and written assessments. I'm going to put your exams in your Google Classroom maybe about this week. So check on the weekend. And you're going to have a test on about all about Indian music and their instruments. Okay. For the meantime, you have to copy the rest of the lecture. So please rewind this video and copy it little by little. And then afterwards, I would like you to practice this pattern. Please use the whole period to master the pattern that is assigned to you, performing it 5 loops or 5 times repetition. Okay? So grade 8, I hope that you'll be able to do this well. Please behave in your classrooms, and you may practice according to pairs or groups. It's up to you, but please do practice this. For the class president, you can play and replay the video as you please, as long as you'll be able to learn and adapt this task. Have a nice evening. Goodbye.